All right, guys, welcome to this training. So, in this training today, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can increase your hot mining rate. Now, many people have asked me this question: how can they be able to increase the rate at which they mine their hot, and what are the things that I personally did that helped me to grow my hot all the way from less than maybe 200 hot to over 1000 hot. So I'm going to be showing you guys today some of the things I did and how you can also implement them. Listen, there is nothing special you have to do. All right. Forget those people that are telling you that they are going to sell you a script that is going to help you to increase your mining. Those are all lies. Those guys that are just selling you scam, and hot are going to block you, because if you use any illegitimate means to earn hot token, they are going to block your account. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So first we'll go to our storage. Now you can see that I have a total of 1659 hot token. Now if you want to increase your hot mining, one of the ways you can increase on hot mining is through the mission tab. When you come to your storage, you go to the mission tab. Now, for this period, there is no much mission available, but back then when we started mining hot early, there were a lot of missions, and every time they are adding more and more missions. Now, what mission does for you is that it gives you free hot tokens, all right, for performing some certain tasks. For example, you can see this particular one now, there is a current mission that is live here, which is the hot wallet ledger context. So this is for those that have the ledger um, code wallet. So when you connect your ledger wallet here, you are going to be rewarded for it. Now, there are other ones that have ended. There are other ones that have ended. So using the mission tab on the hot wallet, all right, when you participate in missions, missions are going to help you to get free hot tokens. All right. Now, when you get those free hot tokens, what do you do with them? You come to the boost session here. All right. You come to the boost session here and you boost your mining speed. Most especially, you come to this boosting mind with the third one here, this one here, you come to the boosting mind with and you upgrade it. So in my next video, I'm going to show you guys how I'm able to upgrade all my mining under the boost. All right. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm able to upgrade it, the things I did, the upgrade I used, you understand, and the ones that I didn't use. Because there are some upgrade you will do, those upgrades are going to consume more of your hot token and will only add little to no uh, value to your entire mining experience. So in my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. Now, as I said in this video, ensure that you take the mission very serious. Any mission they release, all right, any mission they release, go and perform the tasks that they put in those missions. If it is a mission or a task that you can be able to fulfill, because some missions might require you to have money or spend money, okay? If you don't have the money to invest, it's not much you must do that mission. Okay, if you don't have money to invest, ensure that you watch my next video where I'm going to be showing you guys other ways I was able to increase my mining of hot, okay, without spending money. So thank you guys for this video and see you guys in the next one.